Hello guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. So in today's video, I'm finally ready to buy my first, no, not my first, my second NFTs on the cnft.io platform. cnft.io, I made a video about them earlier, like 3 months ago. So I'm going to leave the link down to that video in the description below. Back then I couldn't like figure out how to buy the NFT on the platform, but now I think everything is more set up. There are more main nets right now than back then. So the NFT I'm trying to purchase right now is this one that you can see, the Lioness clubs. As you can see, Lion Legends Lioness. So you have to do your own research. I've done mine, you have to do yours. And the pack of the bunch and everything, this is the one I'm going for. And then there's a disclaimer on this site. First of all, if you want to buy, you just have to click. It just type it up on the search bar right here. The search bar right here, so you can search for any project you want. The ADA Punks, ADA Apes, and all of that. So the one we're going for today is the Lion Legends, the Lioness. So yeah, this is the one I'm going for, which is currently 30 ADA. So I'm going to click buy now, which is so yeah, when you've loaded up the token or the NFT you want to buy, so then you come down here, which is right down here. It says the disclaimer down here. Make sure you read this disclaimer. It is very, very important, guys. So disclaimer, it says please do your own research before buying NFT. You are advised to confirm the policy ID. This is the policy ID right here. And what we are going to do right now is, this is where you can confirm the policy ID, just so you know that you're not being scammed, or you're not buying, or you're not sending your ADA to the wrong person. So yeah, here you can view it on pool.pm or on Cardano Scan. Me personally, I believe I want to check it on Cardano Scan. So we're going to click that right here. A new tab is going to load up. And then here is the policy ID, which I'm going to copy. Then go back to the site, scroll down here. Then I'm going to type up, just give me a second. I'm going to type up my notepad just so I can confirm it. Yeah, I know this looks a little bit extra, but you can never be too safe or secure. So yeah, this is where I compare the policy ID, which so far is the right one. So yeah, that is it. That is the right one. So yeah, then now we proceed to purchase, which is this way. Buy now. Click on buy now. Continue. And then first of all, you're going to have to link your Yoroi wallet to your cnft.io account. That is very, very important. As you can see, this is my Yoroi wallet here. This is the total ADA that I have in there right now. So I specifically named it NFT. So I know that, because I know that this is my Yoroi wallet that I'm using to, the wallet I'm using to buy NFTs. So yeah, we go back here. You don't need this anymore. You can close it. You can leave it, whichever one. So yeah, the amount, and then it gives you timer. So you have to be very, very mindful of that. If you want to use the Nami wallet, you can just click that right here, but we are using Yoroi. So the policy ID has been confirmed. The project is the right one with this yellow tick right here. That's when you know the right one. It says, please send the exact display ADA amount to the wallet provided. So this is the wallet address right here, which you can copy. That is if you want to do it manually, where you can copy right there. Then you go into your Yoroi transaction, then you send ADA, which is 30 ADA. Yeah, you send 30. This is the wallet that we're trying to send to. You paste it. You paste that right there. The amount is 30 ADA that we're trying to send. And it's going to calculate the fee for you and everything. So the fee is just 0.1, which is amount options, custom amount. You can add memo if you want to. Let me add the memo just so. Yeah, you can just confirm that right there. Lions Legend. Let me confirm the right one. Lions Legend 4745. You come down here to next. Sorry about that. So you come right there, type in your spending password. And when that is done, you send. So you just wait for that to go through. Your confirm transaction, just wait for that to confirm. Successfully sent. So yeah, you can click on and check on the transaction page. So it says, no, these are the previous transactions. So it's going to, the transaction is going to appear right here when it is confirmed, and then you come back here to confirm. But if you're trying to do it via your phone, you can click this barcode right here. So yeah, your payment was successful. Please wait for the sender to send the assets. It may take up to 24 hours. So that's how you purchase NFTs on the cnft.io platform. I know in the near future it's going to be better, more seamless than this. So it's just to be, because the entire site, the entire project is still in the developing stage. So which is actually impressive so far, because this is seamless to me, but you know, that's because I've interacted with the site earlier, so I know what I'm dealing with. So for you guys, it might be a bit clumsy. Just follow it step by step. It's not hard at all. So this is the timer settling down right here. Normally, it should be within minutes when the owner will send it to me. So when I get the confirmation, but I'm going to attach it to the end of the video so you guys will see. So this is where we're going to end it on. Thank you for watching. If you watch it to the end, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and share. Now I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye.